Hey everybody, it's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about your Google business page. So, you may have noticed some strange things happening this week, and I wanted to give you a little insight about that. So, I've had a number of clients contacted me and say, "What the heck is going on? I used to have all of these Google reviews, and all of a sudden they've disappeared." Or my posts have disappeared. My photos have disappeared. Well, you are not going crazy. Google actually announced this week that it's having some significant issues with posts disappearing and reviews disappearing. But not to worry, their engineers are hard at work. We have been in direct contact with them all week long, talking through the problems and seeing what's going on. So you're going to start seeing those come back. If you haven't already, just hold tight. I'd give it the weekend and then check back on Monday. If you're still having problems, please get in touch with me, Dana@Kerigan.com, just one R in Kerigan, and we will help you through this process. You are not alone. We're here to help. Oh, and happy Valentine's.